They come when them have them problem and them suck you out because they just sit down and I say, oh my God, Richie, the man a do this, Richie, the girl a do this, Richie this, that. You understand? You give them your shoulder, them hold on for your shoulder. And then the same blood clot people, them are them that gone back to the same people where them complain about you for 1 week straight. Because them now left. Them know when them time up for left. Them know when them time up for walk. But it's like them want hear you say, left the boy. You would have never fucking hear that. You're not going to hear me tell you left your woman. You're not going to hear me tell you left your man. I make myself too accessible to too much people. So, I save back some of that stuff me for myself, you know. And pour it into myself. So, Happy New Year to everybody. You understand? Happy New Year to everybody. We're not judge nobody. We're not going to do ourselves. We're not going to live on a life. We're not going to do whatever we're not going to do. But I don't really have, and everyone I want to have access to the king again. You know, so I have 2 phones. And to the way I remember how to walk with 2 phones, one of them just left in my yard. It just leave in my yard, like literally leave in my yard. But now we're on yourself. So much things are going on in the earth. I see something on the internet. And I say I gotta talk a little bit about it. Because I see it and whatever people want to say, them I gotta say. I see Queenie. Queenie look very peaceful and happy. I see Dewey. Dewey look very nice and happy. Him just a smile and go Weh Soh. So, uno dirty people, where I talk about say, Dewey ungrateful and Dewey if he go back to him wife. Me no see Queenie sit down and a blood clot mad out. Remember when time Queenie used to sit down and I said, Dewey you now come home. Dewey you now come home to your wife. Me no hear Queenie say none of that a blood clot. Queenie just a live her best life and a go on and look good in her face. Only if you look on the people them how them look and left them life alone. 500 comment me see over Dewey page. 500 comment me see over Dewey page. Somehow not talk about him to go back to Queenie. Only no blood clot like Queenie. Only no like her. Only can't like Queenie after they say the woman looks so peaceful. Only remember when the woman face did stay away and the whole and said, Jesus Christ, Queenie come off of the internet, you want rest, you want this, you want that. And now the woman well restful and she did it with Yvette. And she a go on with herself. She and Yvette they live them best life and a go on. Right? And uno see him wanna come talk about go on. Him did stress out and she did stress out. Them toxic for them one another. Lord them, if him want go back or she want him come back, we are gonna know. Because look like how them married in a public and them left in a public. It's like the whole of we done a public. Lord people life. Him take up one woman. The woman say she into him. She agree because she lose her man. Him say him have a coolings for her and the two of them are cool them one another like ice. Lord them. Queen happy, do it happy. And that is it. Good night. But again, no found not even know what happiness look like. On a miserable no blood clot. On a miserable. Nobody life no good for uno. On the phone life alone alright. Not because you stress out and unhappy, you feel like the people must unhappy and stress out too. You want to draw down people in your sad blood clot sinking boat. No, him now, me nah block him. Remember say him you have to load him. Him name Smiley one at the time on the internet. I don't know what do him take off him the name Smiley again, him change to one different name. You have to remember say a different way me have to deal with people, you know. You understand? Him can't say anything what him want to say. I left Stone Love from 2007 and him still talk about Stone Love. You know much of them people never know say me used to play Stone Love. And you alone know say me used to play Stone Love. Them people never asked me about Stone Love yet. Never. Them people never asked me about Stone Love. Stone Love just take 2007 to 2024. You understand? So, again, we know how to deal with people. You understand? Again, now. We respect everybody. So we not this nobody. One time gonna somebody run on by my page, me ready for this them, but we never come on. Now again, I see one video. But before me reach to that video then, I talk about something else. The careless girl them don't really follow my page. As some woman we have sent, some of them I got through relationship problems. Some of them just want to hear some good words of encouragement. See? So the careless girl them don't really follow me. You understand? Them don't really follow me. I'm alright with that. But I see a girl sending say she at 31. She's 31 and her man there with a 20-year-old girl. Him breed her and the pitney at 2. One of her pitney I must say 9 and one of them are one other age. The man a look on her and tell her so she for go look at work and come help out. She don't want to go look no work. The girl say she not look no work. The girl say when you not take up people, man, you must know if you take up them pitney too. I wish I could have known that girl there. I wish I could have known that girl and give her a proper schooling in a dissing and tell her say she big and careless. And how the girl look the attention, she put it over Pink Wall and she put it over Daydream. She put it over 2 page. 2 mix-up page the girl put it. Zane? Because she say, "Uno young girl when you not take up people, man. Uno must make sure you take up the pitney them too. Because you keep party for your pitney, you have to keep pitney for party for my pitney them too. You make the man a pressure me for go look work. I say I swear to God, if me ever deal with a girl who can't help herself again in life, God cut off one of my toe. And I tell God to kill me because I don't want dead. God cut off one of my toe. Uno man need to dep on the internet and look on them site, yeah. Uno need to look on them website, yeah, and read what some things that some girl send in. I see another thing what Daydream put out, named confession. And some things that some girl confess. Them should have carried that to them grave. Somehow don't love the blood clot internet too much. But me like when you come on and come show me how some woman think. See? Me like when you come show me how low down somehow is. One girl take her anti-husband and I fought the anti-husband right through. All in a night Joe after her family them put her out and the auntie take her in. She said she must be 20 and the man are 50. Right? And she manipulate him and he manipulate her and she want things. And the man tell her say him a go left the auntie for she. And she say she don't want to hurt the auntie. From you fuck the man you hurt the auntie. Me not tell no lie. The internet can be a place that is very informative and it can be very careless. Zane, I see so much things on the internet, but I not complain because I want to see. I want to see. I want to see and know. Zane, then again, I see one next girl say, She did a thief money from one institution. She a confess. She did a thief money from the institution and she thief how much money, but she stop now. Why the fuck you come on and come tell we say you did a thief and you stop now? We never need to know all of that. Remember say the internet has become such an open place to confess your sins. Nobody no want to go to church again for go confess no sin. You just come on their dream and pink wall and just confess. Or you go over TikTok and just confess. Nobody now have to ask you nothing. You just go over there go confess. Just go over there go confess. Because we are here to listen. Now, hungry people up on the internet a lot, but more fake rich people up on the internet. More fake there than the ordinary. A lot more fake is there than the ordinary. Pure fake rich people. Me I talk someone live a foreign, me I talk about someone live a Jamaica. Fake rich. Cause me not rich. Me definitely not rich. Me not rich. Me don't know what is rich. If a life, me rich in a life. I'm glad for the life I have because you know a lot of us always a pray for a lead way and we always a pray for something happen and we always a pray for this happen, but we now pray for health and strength. Remember, you know, we give thanks for life. And them say once you have life, you have everything, but you can't have life and you're disabled and can't do anything. See? But when you pray for health and strength, because a lot of people, a lot of us are not healthy. And you say well, health is the most important thing. We have to make sure our mental health is good and alright. Remember, you know, nobody make no bow. Me I make my New Year's resolution. You should have make that from down in the year. Yeah, the way and then that me I say, me rich in life. I'm not rich in cash and kinds. I'm rich in life. Seeing, we have to pray for health and strength. We give thanks for life, you know. We have to give thanks for life. But we have to pray for health and strength. You know what I mean? Because them say 1,400 people dead at Jamaica last year. I'm glad say me never in that 1,400 there. Me give thanks. So each day we rise. DJ sat there. Pick up yourself. Glad to see you there back on the internet, youth. See a man where they give thanks to the DJ sat there. Mine run pan DJ sat there. And when my mind run pan DJ sat there, me ask one of my brethren say a long time I don't see him because a man who always active on the internet. Only and solely if I go to one party when me look at DJ sat there, me buck up pan. And DJ sat there and tell me say yo, him just a come back from a strokes. See? The man tell me say him just a come back from a strokes. Run my mind run pan him because I know he's a man who always vocal on the internet and you could have seen him all about and when the man tell me all these jokes, lick him down. Remember, I don't know old man this me I telling about people. Remember, young boy. Zane, man come like a baby, him turn back. Just start walk back and learn back for walk. Just a start learn back for talk. Zane, we am glad to see the man. Before me even know what happened to the man. Because me the ask a man for him because I say I see him. So, this is where we have to give thanks for. DJ Blaze, my brother. Zane, may I tell you, YT, Happy New Year. I'm telling you this people, sickness can't reach anybody. People wish gunshot pan people and they say them for dead. But it's a sickness, remember, everybody, sickness is for. Sickness is for me, sickness is for you. Nobody no better than sickness, you hear me say? And that's why I tell you, say, yo, we have to give thanks each day for the preservation. Remember that. All people we say we eat. That's cool, man. And another thing when I try to tell you, say, yo, you see when you have kids, don't wish bad about people, kids. Don't wish bad about people. Children, careful of the tongue. Careful of the tongue. Remember them say the hand is mightier than the sword, but the tongue is a very powerful thing. The way the tongue powerful, you know, so you scatter use him tongue and yam with a woman. Eh? But the tongue is mightier than that. You hear me, I say, man? Careful of the use of the tongue. Anybody can get sick. That me I tell you, man. We don't know we have to go and look at you mind at the thing when we attack. We don't know.
Hello.
Good evening. I don't know. I have to mention the free jet more time. I have to involve in it. I couldn't know that. Yeah, but me I say, yo, we have to be careful. Because me the man, you can't wash out your mouth from people picnic.
You didn't get the black?
You did tell me black?
You ate me.
You tell me the black and purple
Yeah.
alone, me say.
No, I tell you black and purple.
Me see, me tell you this.
No, well.
A purple alone, me see, you know. Me not really good.
3 yards of black and 3 yards of purple crip back.
Well, me never remember the black, you know. Me just say purple alone and done it, you know.
So we can't do that.
Me say, where I do? Try to stress me out, man.
No, because I need the black more than the purple.
Yeah, people, because she sent me out and go buy something. And I one thing me say, and a two thing. So what are the people them close?
Them close 6 o'clock.
Me say, no, you do, you heard?
A good thing. I come out here early, you know.
Where you mean come out early?
But come out early.
Fat Dolly. Paper. Big up Fat Dolly from over Canada. Remember she now say, me a fight her artist career. Say she an artist. Have one song with say Pain Town and a Dolly House. Right? But me so get to that. Now, there's a video on the internet. The little girl named Kaylan. Them come like them redo the video and do it in a different form. The way the video so disturbing. 2 little girl a fight. And some other big girl go there and I say, bust up back her head. Chop out her head. And then me hear one of them say, like, see her head bust there now. Leave her now. One big fat girl go there go beat her. Listen to me. Yo. Me nah need no violence and it come on to certain things. But that video did disturb me. Me not even could I watch it till it done. And again, this is the same social media. It's built for inform way and it built for kill way. It built for inform way and it built for kill way. Pray over your children, them people. Pray over your kids, them. And when you not pray, stop praying for riches. Because what is riches? Pray over your kids, them when them leave out of your yard. Pray over your kids, them when them in your yard. When you youth them go road and come in back safe. are one of the best thing right now. You can't, because we're not sure. Pray for them more than what you pray for yourself. May I tell you no, pray for them more than how you pray for yourself. Because you see envy and jealousy, trust me, is a killer. Me hear people are say, them need this and them need that. What is the most important thing that you need right now in life? What is the most important thing? Most important thing is health and strength. Because we know we are struggling, enough of we are struggling.